Regarding taste, I think Macher Kochuri tops the list amongst all kochuris. And as a jol khabar, it's a killer. Unlike other kochuris, in case of Macher Kochuri, you don't need an accompaniment. You can have it just as it is with a green chutney or something. Using a betki fillet makes your job easier. Or you could use a katla macha peti, boil it, debone it, and then cook it with all the spices, onion, garlic, and ginger, and use this as a filling for your kochuri. I've heard about Macher Binuni Kochuri from a friend of ours, and she used to swear by it, and it was something of a very cherished memory she had about her jol khabar. I would like to make it someday and make a video of it. I'm sure a Macher Binuni Kochuri, which is basically sort of a pie with a stuffing of the fish, would taste just gorgeous. Till such time, enjoy this Macher Kochuri. It's a big hit in my family and my friends.